Hey guys. Hey guys, thanks for coming in. I'm gonna do a quick assessment of our new EMERAGE skin. I know I'm looking cute. Of our great high double time twins, of our amazing, EMERAGE skin line. It is doing so well, you guys. Thank you so much. I can't wait till people start getting the orders and they start, hi presto, till everyone starts getting the orders and starts posting their skin. But you guys can see right now I'm a little dull because I just took a shower. I'm getting ready to go to Chicago, everybody. We're gonna be there for a couple days at my friend's office in one of the very cool salt rooms there. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple things. I'm gonna show you my Emer essentials and what I would do if I was getting ready for travel. Always gotta be a hot doctor, you know what I'm saying? So our foaming polish, which is right now, you guys, people are going crazy, over this because of the jojoba beads that are infused inside. This is a brightening foam. I'm gonna use this really quickly. I wish I was doing any tests, you guys. I am not on any medications. I don't even drink alcohol. I do no drugs, so don't make any assessment of that. So this foaming polish is your go-to nighttime cleanser in my opinion, because this gets rid of oil and debris. But those that want in the shower to be a little more cleansed, you can do a double cleanse with our foaming polish, jojoba beads, and licorice root. It's a very brightening foam. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that so you can see. I always tell people when you do these foams, get the skin a little moist first. Nice little warming to the skin there. And then let's foam it up. Get a nice lather on the skin. And so let's do this, you know what I mean? And so, yeah, thank you. I work out really hard. I used to be a college gymnast. So now I'm doing my first cleanse, and you should go down to the neck, go around, and I've been telling all the beauty editors, this is how you gotta do your foam. You don't just slap it on. You gotta rub it in, and the jojoba beads in here are gonna be very moisturizing. So I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna wash that off now. And you could let this sit if you wanted. You could let this sit. Look how much, this is why I call it polish. Look how clean already my skin looks. Remember, enzymatic exfoliation, you guys, in cleansers, which is why I made my Enzyme Polish, which has it in papaya and mixed acids, are great to allow products to penetrate into the skin better. So I'm gonna open the polish. I'm gonna put just a teeny bit on my hand. And then what I'm gonna do with this one is, again, I'm just gonna use a little bit and I'm gonna rub it in. This is an enzyme. This is gonna detoxify. This to me is your morning routine, using this enzyme polish, because this gets rid of acne. It has glycolic acid, blemishes, and it also just opens all the pores. So double cleanse gives you multiple benefits. Not only can it be a little more hydrating, but if you wear makeup especially, it's gonna allow the makeup to go on better. It's also gonna help the skincare products go on. And to be honest, most cleansers are just detergents. The cleansers we're using here, my foaming polish, is an active cleanser. This is brightening and getting rid of dead skin cells. And the enzyme polish, which should be your go-to mixed acid cleanser. There is no cleanser on the market that has this many acids in one, you guys. This is insane, okay? I know, I agree. Captain Mary, that's my every morning right there, baby. Now, the other essentials I always tell people, you gotta have a hyaluronic acid serum in the morning and some sort of either lightening cream or growth factor and a vitamin C. At nighttime, you have to have a retinol and a growth factor. So I'm gonna put my vitamin C on, and remember, at high strengths, you guys, hi Ella, 20% vitamin C here in AOC, this would be very irritating to the skin if you didn't have the blueberry extract in here and the tamarind seed and some of the other things that are in here. So we are going to also show you guys in this vitamin C, look at completely clear anhydrous. This is almost impossible to make. So difficult to get this level of vitamin C. And so I'm gonna put a little bit of that on, a couple drops of the vitamin C. I often will mix that also with, so on my face, I'm gonna use this is my antioxidant. and my protective barrier, and then I'm going to combine that with my hyaluronic acid. So our Hyla B, which is, you guys, this is the filler in a bottle. You're preventing wrinkles, you've just done a laser, a microneedling, an at-home facial, a roller. You're always going to want to put this vitamin B and hyaluronic on. Take a look at that beauty. Most of these hyaluronics, you guys, over the counter, the ones in the smaller, in the brands that are much less expensive in that $20 to $30 range, they only have maybe one hyaluronic in there. They don't have the seed extracts, the marine extracts that help with collagen production and firming, and they don't have the multiple hyaluronic acid weights. In this one, we have 4 hyaluronic acid weights. We have seed extract, we have the blueberry, we have the vitamin B in here, and that combines really well with the C. I want a very high strength. The products I wanted to make, you guys, was to give you brightening and results so you could walk out and be courageous in the world, you know, lead your group, get the job you want, take your kids to school, feel good about your skin. The AOC here is really high strength. Not a lot of ingredients, just super potent. And it's very important to have vitamin C as part of your regimen because this is your main antioxidant. This is going to prevent UV damage and free radical damage. Sometimes I'll combine this with another version of a vitamin C from another company that has some other ingredients in there. But this is your high potency vitamin C anhydrous, which is very unheard of. And then what I would do lastly is add my anti-aging serums. If I had melasma or acne, I would use individual products for that. Those are in my Aerify kit. Hi. And those will be coming out at the end of the year. Even my toner pads and some other amazing things, you guys, and I'm giving you lots of knowledge about, and we are going to continue to improve as we build out EMERAGE Skin. But my eye serum, which is my high potency bio growth factor and peptides, this is not a copper peptide actually, but you can use copper peptides. These are growth factors and peptides. This eye serum is insane, you guys. You will see this work. Every beauty editor, and you will see this in the next few months as they roll out, has said they love my eye serum and my growth factors. And the reason I made these guys, you guys know I'm a laser guy. I do lots of lasers and peels. I needed a serum that I could put all the way around the eye that also helped my patients heal. Look at the brightening already. It's already brighter. And then my Refit Face is the same growth factors at a different concentration. So I'm going to do face and neck. I'm going to dab a little bit on the neck. And this is my anti-aging powerhouse. This is my growth factors and my peptides. If you want to invest in your skin long term, you guys, hi Argentina, you want to do this. You want to always have those core pure ingredients. Your vitamin C, your hyaluronic in the morning, your growth factors in the morning, and then at nighttime we would add in our retinol and other individual products, maybe blemish pads or pigmentation issues. We would talk about that. My Aerify kit, which again is also at emeragecosmetics.com. Look at EMERAGE Skin. I do this every 2 weeks overnight. You apply the mask for 10 hours, and then there's some products in there for brightening of the skin that will help you enhance the result. This eye serum, if you're gonna try anything, unbelievable, this eye serum. And you can see already it's brighter. The last, and then the growth factors in the face is great post laser, microneedling, roller. You can use this Refit Eye even after you've done peels or lasers. So this is my go-to. If you buy the kit and you do the peel, I would also buy the growth factors within the Hyla B and the enzyme cleanser because that'll enhance the overall results. Remember, I did a double cleanse with my foaming polish and my enzymatic polish because I really want my skin to sparkle. It's like doing a double waxing on your face. And then I hydrated, I protected with my AOC, and I hydrated with my Hyla B. This is something you guys should put on after you do treatments. Anytime you're dry, you can add this to the growth factor. Now the last part of my essentials is the Fusion Shield. And my Fusion Shield I love because it has the vitamin C in it, and it also has in marine extracts to help tighten the skin. But I also made a small tint, mainly because a lot of my patients and friends are darker skin tone, and I wanted them to have more of a complexion blend. But I also wanted my dark circles to just disappear. Most men don't like tints, but the reason I made this one is because it blends in so well. This is not a makeup. This is a anti-aging sunscreen. It has antioxidant in it. It has marine extracts in it. You don't find many sunscreens that also have that level of vitamin C. Take a look at that. Can you see any tint? Can you see any matte? Any issue on the skin? No, it's not gonna rub off. It's just gonna make you look brighter. You can put your makeup on top. Often I'll put my face oils on top afterwards. For acne scars, you need more aggressive treatments. In between those treatments, we do the Aerify or the Enlighten kit. In the office, we have to see you because it all depends. We do lots of lasers, microneedling. I have 83 lasers that we're always constantly doing. So look, guys, I'm ready for travel. My skin's protected. I'm gonna bring with me on the plane, actually, the vitamin B. I'm gonna use the vitamin B, and I'm gonna bring the Refit Face, and I'm gonna have that to be able to do. The other thing, the little trick, you guys, super trick, is the Refit Eye is so strong. Use it on the back of your hands. Same level of skin. I'm just gonna put a little bit right there. Anti-aging on the hands. Don't forget the hands. Use a little bit on that side. Rub it in for both. And you can get these at emeragecosmetics.com. We just launched. The kit won't be sent out till after the 25th. So anyone that ordered the kit, we're holding your order until we send everything together. When you get it, tag us, you guys. This is all about you. The idea was to make an amazing product line that was beneficial for your skin. Very high potency ingredients, but not as many ingredients, just the core ingredients that a dermatologist like myself and somebody that's almost 40 with great skin is using, and then enhancing it as we build with more products. So tag us when you get it. You can go to emeragecosmetics.com, try these out. You're gonna be super happy with everything. DM us, we'll do more as we go through the rest of the week, but thank you so much for supporting. We are gonna be giving away proceeds, a percentage of proceeds to numerous non-for-profit groups over this year. We ship everywhere in the world. The cool thing about the Aerify kit, you guys, it doesn't have hydroquinone. So anyone that's brightening or sun protection with their skin, you can get this outside the United States, which is what I made it. We don't sell tretinoin because, in my opinion, tretinoin is very drying for the skin. It's not as good for you as retinol. So my opinion is you should be getting a really good retinol. Go to emeragecosmetics.com, type Rev Skin or type retinol. You will see the retinols that I love. There's a lot of them. Actually, the Sente and the Rev Skin retinols are even more potent than tretinoin itself. And my Aerify kit has a very amazing retinol in it that's going to come out at the end of the year in full size. Licorice root and hyaluronic acid in the retinol. It's better than any tretinoin you'll ever get. Go get the Aerify kit, even if you want it just for the retinol and for the high spot fade cream. So thank you guys so much. Have a good rest of the day, and I'm off to Chicago. See you all guys very soon. I'm super excited to be back in my hometown. I'm sure I'll take some pictures of my favorite pizza there. Bye, guys.